In this video, I'm going to take a look at what I'm doing with the MTA Basic Market 12. Uh, Again, I'm covering the technical details as to broker settings and the programming issues in the compatibility videos, but I just wanted to show you what's going on here, why I'm using this, and even in my manual trading, I will use this expert to execute trades. Right now, it's set up on the pound and the euro, and eventually it'll be available on the Audi. It will probably work separately on the Euro GDP, but because these three are working in unison, and in a sense, I can spread my risk by going through multiple pairs if there ever is a disparity. I can also magnify my profits by doing this to some degree. There are spread issues between these three, and that is part of the risk spread issue. But we're going to look at what I'm doing with this expert by looking at our properties section. Once I've determined which way this is going to go, I come down here. I first have set up my TPs and SLs here. I've got a 14 pip stop loss and a 16 pip take profit. That spread, the 2 pips covers, between those two covers a part of the spread differential. I'm working in M5. I'm anticipating, hopefully pretty well, when this move, the bigger moves are going to take place. I shouldn't have to worry about my my stop losses. In fact, if it starts going on the wrong way, I probably just close the orders. But this is a short. I'll talk a little more about why I want to go with this take profit no matter what. Not, in other words, not place the order with open TPs and SLs and just close it when I think it's going to stop. All kinds of different strategies on trying to maximize your returns on these moves. Trailing stops, for instance, and trying to pick up which reversal you're going to go with and all that kind of baloney. And you're better off taking your fixed take profits, and this can range from 16 to 25. I talked about the fact that most steps are in the 25 pip range. 16 will bring you in early. To maximize your gains, actually you want to trade the steps. Trade the steps, and that will give you a very easy and logical way out of the trade without shitting your pants if it goes one way or the other. And take the short, take profits. I'll talk probably in another video about what that does, the why to go with that. If you have picked up a legitimate move, why a short take stop loss is just fine. This actually came out of the optimizer in a particular configuration I had. It chose a 10 pip stop loss, and it was really remarkable how that worked. But I'll go into the more detail about that on another video. Right now, I just wanted to show you that we have actually two different entries here. A fast buy and sell, which opens the trade on close zero relative to open zero. I could leave this both true, and it would choose. But the best deal is to plan a little bit ahead and say, I think this time we're going to be into a buy situation. Set that to true. Set your sell defaults, and it will execute your buy when that close zero clears the open. Down here there's a cross which operates off of this fast and slow period. If you wanted to use that, there may be a combination deal that makes sure, we could leave, for instance, these both set it true and use a cross that would hold it into the down mode that way. But right now we're manually going to choose which way we want to go ahead of time, and then all we have to do is click on the Expert Advisors button, and the trade will be executed, and that trade will be executed in all of these pairs at the same time very quickly. Now, one of the other expeditious factors here is that I'm trading on 4 different platforms at the same time, so rather than going to each platform, place a manual position, and go through that whole process of placing a trade on each of these platforms, all I have to do is go up here, click on my Expert Advisor button on each of these 4, like click, 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 and I've got orders going. And closing out the orders is a lot better. I've already covered for my TPs and SLs. I'm not really that worried about it unless I see something weird in one of these currents. I want to get out of it, and that's my only issue, is if I want to get out of it or I don't. So that's how the trades are executed, part of this, using the MTA Manual Trader's Assistant Basic Market Edition, and how you set that up to do that. Thank you for watching.